In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and install free app Code Files by Google. When your app is ready, open it. Then, to set it up, hit Continue and tap on Allow in the pop-up. Finally, select Clean at the bottom left corner and click on Clean under Junk Files. Then select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!